Hello! Today we're going to be making one of my favorites, a Midwest-style taco pizza, and we're going to be showing you two different ways of doing it. To start, we'll take 1 cup of refried beans, 1/4 cup of pizza sauce, and 1/4 cup of taco sauce. We'll whisk all of that together, and then we'll place it directly onto a pre-made pizza crust. We use 1 ladleful here, but it's close to 1 cup or so. Then we use a 6-ounce blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And we top with 2 ounces of Midamar's taco seasoned beef and 2 ounces of Midamar's seasoned beef topping. For the other style, we use taco sauce as the base. Again, we'll cover with 6 ounces or so of the mozzarella and cheddar cheese base. We use 1 to 2 ounces of Midamar's taco seasoned beef and 1 to 2 ounces of our regular beef topping. From there, we bake both pizzas for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on your stove at 425 degrees. Now comes the best part, the toppings. For the taco sauce base, we use just lettuce, diced tomatoes, and crushed nacho chips. For the refried bean base, however, we get a little more fancy. We use the same type of shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and crushed nacho chips, but we finish with a drizzle of sour cream and taco sauce. And that's it! We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do, let us know down in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe as well so you can keep up to date with all the great recipes we share here at Midamar Halal. Hope you enjoy, and we look forward to serving you soon.